When I tell you, I stand by this hair, and this is my favorite Miracle braid install yet. I do not tell lies, okay? Style my Miracle braids with me. I'm going to show you guys a couple of different ways you can wear it, okay? First step is half up, half down. Love it this way. I also like to just go ahead and pull out 2 braids because I like my little antlers. You can also take this and top knot bun it. And like cloth clip, or just add another bun at the back of it, and so it's like a Pomeranian little puff. Go 2 ponies. I also like to put 2 Dutch braids with this look as well. I love how lightweight Miracle braids are, because the fact that I can just pull it up and do all of these things with it without the tension, without the weight, is very much a plus. Don't say I never gave you nothing, baby. A boho knotless could never be this lightweight, could never be this easy to install. Miracle Braids for the win, the healthy way. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Share this with a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Eayon is that girl. Get you that hair in that link in that bio. Don't say I never told you.